All right, you're looking for a C5 Corvette. Take a look at this one. We'll take a close look at it. This is a nice one. 1998 Sebring silver in color, black interior. Of course, the LS1, 5.7 liter underneath the hood. That's paired with an automatic transmission. Now, this particular car has been in our area its entire life, has not been driven in any inclement weather. It's easy to see that on this car, which is leaving it a low mile car also, since it's only driven in summer months. And by low miles, I'm talking literally what average about 1,400 a year, considering the age of this car, and it's got a little over 30,000 miles on it. We'll check out the exact mileage when we get around to the interior. Adult owned and driven too. Clean Carfax, no accidents, no indication of paint work. Confirms the two owners, confirms it's been in our area, regularly serviced. Now when you come up on the front of these, take a look at the nose cone. You're not gonna find a bunch of, road debris that's hit it, left chips, scratch, marks, anything like that. Yeah, you're gonna find a little bit of bug remnants on there, a nick or, little tiny chip here and there, but overall, very, very nice. Lots of times you get them up on the hood. Not much on this one. Then as you can see, the paint's got a nice luster to it. It's been stored inside under a cover. There is a cover in the back of it, along with the removable smoked target top that will go with it. So there you go, as you can see it through the windshield. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can, look over this car close. We had a ton of pictures on this car, underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, and check them all out. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a description. In that description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. We can also be reached at 507-386-1726. It's riding on Firestone Firehawk radials, and I have pictures of that too. Rubber's good on them. You can see the rubber's up away from the wear bars. It's not down to the wear indicators, I should say, on the tires. Look up and down the door. That rub strip or protective strip isn't all dinged or chipped up, and I believe that's an option on the C5s in 98, so you won't see every one of them with that either. Again, automatic transmission and interior. Does have ride control, of course, dual climate control. Does have the Delco Bose system to it. Driver's information center. Leather interior is the black leather interior. And then take a look at the driver or passenger seat here. You can see where they typically wear is in this bolster area. Seat's in very nice shape on the passenger side, and we'll check out the driver's side when we get around there too. Now, we do offer financing. We do consider trades. And of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended warranty, so feel free to ask your sales associate about that if you're interested in that. And FYI, that sticker that's on there, that can come off before we ship it to you if you purchase the car. It is a consignment vehicle a gentleman from our area brought to us. So we left it on there until it has found a new home. Take a look up and down this driver's side. Again, no appearance of any paint work. Again, that Carfax is clean, no accidents indicated. There was one little ding over here on that panel, and then one little one on the door. Could be easily touched up with a little Sebring silver GM touch-up paint. An average of 1,400 miles put on this car a year. And in our neck of the woods, they're only driven 3, 4, 5 months. That's why they end up with lower miles where we're at. Now, let's check out this interior. See the door panels. Here's your Bose speakers, power windows, power locks, windows. Nice equipment on this one. Power driver's seat there. And then let's look at this seat also for wear. Again, you can see bolsters in nice shape. The stuff you see here, it's just like how your leather seat wears or your leather shoes. That's not cracked or torn or anything like that. That's just the natural wrinkles from the hide. Automatic transmission. Let's fire this up. Check out the exact miles here. 31,157. And as you can see, no warning indicators on. AC blows cold. There's your dual climate. nothing to hide on this. Like I said, you're looking for a nice C5. Here you go. Let's take a look in the back. There's a transparent smoke roof and car cover. I'm going to go ahead and pop this hood, show you the engine bay. It's nice and tidy. Pop that quick. Easy to do one-handed on the vents here. Here's the LS1, 5.7 liter, V8, smooth running. Again, no major modifications, anything like that under there. What you see is what you get on this one, folks. 1998 Chevrolet Corvette Sebring Silver, automatic transmission, 2-owner. Beautiful car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is the website. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Check out all the still pictures. We do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended warranty. Consult with your sales associate when you give us a call. Look forward to hearing from you.